Hello and welcome everybody. In this video we'll show you some tricks to attract girls and make them like you. Experts in relationship prove that these tricks works well for everyone. Also I tried these tricks and it made many girls around me likes me more than any time before. These tricks are very simple. If you integrate them in your daily routine, then you will have a lot more friends.
Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to receive all our news.
1. Build your self-confidence. Building self-confidence is one of the most things that you must make it if you want to attract all people around you. If you are going to accomplish anything in life, you have got to permeate a certain level of self-confidence. When you have got visible confidence, you have the edge over the other guys, because girls are naturally attracted to men who aren't afraid to take responsibility and the lead. There are some guys who just don't know how to share their confidence in front of women. If that's you, then you are going to have to fake it until you make it. If you want a woman to think about you around the clock, you must show her you know what you want and you are secure in being you. Also make sure to put in head always that you are unique and you are able to accomplish any task that can face you. So whatever the subject you are talking about, don't show up that it can be hard for you to do something that already someone else did it before. To work on your confidence, you can practice talking with numerous girls, show them that nothing can stop you, and practice this as possible as you can, and this will make you better. 2. Mirroring her body language. Mirroring body language makes girls feel understood. When girls see you mirroring them, they get a message that you feel what they feel. If you want to establish a connection with a new girl, mirror her posture, gesture, sitting position, tone of voice, and talking pace. It will make them feel that there is something about you that they like. The reason for that is that they will see their own reflection in you. The more you look like them, the more they will like you. 3. Make eye contact with her. Making eye contact with a girl is the first step towards creating a meaningful connection with a girl. When a guy makes an eye contact with a girl while talking, it mostly means that he considers the conversation important and respects the girl and her opinion. Imagine a person looking here and there while having a conversation with you. How would you feel? Ignored, right? Eye contact shows that you have confidence, but unfortunately, it can also be difficult for some people who are not habituated on that. But with little patience and practice, you can overcome any anxiety that you might have, and be sure with practice you will have a clear and confident eye contact. Keep in mind always that eye contact is the key to attract the girls and people around you. Some studies have shown that people who made eye contact are more tend to have more friends than those who did not. 4. Find your similarities. Common similarities are another big things that can make a person like you. Whether it is traits that you are born with or interests that you have, it is great to share similarities with others. Sharing similarities with other people is what makes us able to connect with them. If you had nothing at all in common with another person, then you might really struggle to like each other. It is easy for us to like those who share similarities with us. When you find common ground with someone, then that person will feel like they know you better. It is because you are like them, even if it is in just a few ways. 5. Show interest to her. The most obvious way to make someone like you is by showing that you have an interest in them. If you do not pay any attention to this person at all, then why should they pay any attention to you? When you show some interest in someone, then you will open the door for possible friendship or a romantic relationship, and you should make it clear what kind of relationship you want. If you want to grow a relationship with someone, then you have to plant the seed of interest first. From there, a meaningful relationship can begin to grow. There are many ways to show your interest in another person. To start off with, you can say hi to that person when you see them and goodbye when you leave. This is just the bare minimum and is something you can do with everyone that you are around. After you have established some sort of groundwork, ask that person how they are doing or how their weekend was. This shows that you have an interest in getting to know that person and what they do in their life. To even further show your interest in this person, get to know what their likes and dislikes are. What are their interests? What did they bring to work for lunch? Find ways to ask them about the little things about their life. Demonstrate your knowledge of these things when you have a conversation, and this person will know that you have been making the effort to get to know them. If you do these things, then it will be clear that you have an interest in this individual, and you will make them feel that you care about them, and then they will like you. 6. Compliment them. We all like to feel as we are special. That is why compliments can work so well. If you give a compliment to someone that you are interested in, they will know that you like them, and maybe they will begin to like you as well. When it comes to compliments, try to be genuine and avoid compliments that are over the top or are just not true. Doing so might make the other person think that you are sweet but not at all genuine. You are better off sticking closer to the truth when it comes to paying compliments. That way, you will not struggle to do it, and it will be coming from the heart. Think about how you feel when someone compliments things about you, such as your outfit or a skill that you have. Being complimented probably makes you feel special, and it is something that you might remember for the rest of the day, if not for much longer than that. If you give someone a compliment, it might end up being something that they remember quite fondly, and you will feel great for making that person feel good about themselves. 7. Smile at them. Smiling at a person can do many things for them. It can make them feel at ease and relaxed. It will demonstrate that you are in good spirits, which in turn can put that person in a good mood as well. Think about how you might feel when someone smiles at you. You might feel more comfortable around this person, and as if they are in good spirits. A smile is the perfect accessory that you can wear. The feeling that a smile gives can be infectious, and it is certainly much more appealing than a scroll or a frown. The ideal smile is not too long and to force it. Just flash a quick, friendly smile to make this person feel even more drawn to you. When you smile at someone, it will be hard for them to resist liking you. 8. Be a little mysterious. When you are still getting to know someone new, it is great to share information about yourself with them. After all, it is how they will get to know you. You do not have to reveal every little detail about yourself just yet. For one thing, doing so could easily become overwhelming for the other person. Be careful that you do not inundate this person with too much information about yourself, especially information that is deeply personal. We can only comfortably process so much new information at once. Also, if you leave some air of mystery to you, they could leave the other person wanting to know more about you. This will give you a chance to have plenty more conversation down the line, since you are not spilling every little bit of information about yourself. 9. Be positive. While we all have our bad days, positivity is an attractive quality to have. When you give off positive energy, you attract positive energy as well. But if you are negative, then people will feel negative around you because of the energy that you are giving off. Part of being positive includes not complaining about every little thing. This includes having to wait a few extra minutes to be seated at the restaurant. Do not try to see the faults in everyone. If you complain about other people too often, then the person that you want to like you will wonder if you complain about them when they are not there as well. When you have a positive attitude, then people will remember you for being nice and optimistic. They will notice how relaxed they are around you, and they might even find that being around you is fun. 10. Tell a secret. When you are vulnerable and trusting, it can make people see you in a whole new light. They might feel closer to you as a result of you sharing a secret with them. Sharing a secret of yours can open you up to other people's. They will realize that you trust them and you are not perfect. At the same time, you will want to be careful about what kind of secrets you share. There are small secrets, such as admitting that you are afraid of bears, and there are big secrets that are very serious in nature. If you do decide to share a big secret with that person, approach things with caution and try to be sure that they can handle that kind of information. When done right, secrets can bring people closer together. 11. Have a sense of humor. Being able to laugh is something that will put most people at ease. This includes being able to laugh at yourself on occasion. If you take things way too seriously, including yourself, then you can be viewed as a tense and rigid. But if you can have a sense of humor, then people will feel more at ease with you. 12. Be friendly with their friends. It is often true that the way to a person's heart is through their friends. If you can get into the good graces of these friends, then that will definitely be a point in your favor. If a person's friends do not like you, especially if it is the best friends, then it will be even harder for the person to like you. Sure, it is possible to get them to like you anyway, but you will face some challenge in the process. Just try and move. Resume of our video. 1. Build your self-confidence. 2. Mirroring her body language. 3. Make eye contact with her. 4. Find your similarities. 5. Show interest to her. 6. Compliment them. 7. Smile at them. 8. Be a little mysterious. 9. Be positive. 10. Tell a secret. 11. Have a sense of humor. 12. Be friendly with their friends.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to receive all our news.
If you learned something new today, then give the video a like and tell us in comments which step you like it more. And here's some others great videos I think you will enjoy. Just click on the left or on the right.
Mass Pro. Better mind, better life.